The last part was nice, huh? Come on. Okay, Sarvesh is going to give a speech. Sarvesh, all yours.
Hi Archie, how are you? I hope you are having a great day. I'm looking forward to seeing you more often. From the day I was born, you have been by my side. You have always cared for me and Anna. I know that you have been through a lot of struggles, but no matter what, I love you more than anything. Happy birthday, I hope you enjoy it.